All right, so we are all done. I have done my foundation, my contour, my blush, my highlight, everything, because I didn't want to take any time away from the Blood Sugar palette. All right, I'm so excited. All right, and we're gonna open her up. Now, I have absolutely no idea, like not a clue, what kind of look I want to do. I just want to open it and play with it. So I know I want to dip into the actual colors because I don't want to be boring and just do like a brown look and a bronzy look. I want to play with color. So to start off the transition, I think I'm gonna go into Sugarcane on a Beuatylish blending brush. This mirror is amazing, just saying. Let me go ahead and go through and blend out the concealer that is on my eye real quick. Okay. All right, so I feel like Sugarcane was the absolute perfect shade to start with as a transition shade. Now I want to try, I'm going to go into Tongue Pop. Oh, that's so pretty. And I'm going to pop that. Oh, hello, pigment. Wow, that is pigmented. Okay, was not expecting that. Stunning colors. Okay, so I kind of want to go into Cavity or Root Canal. I just don't know. Maybe both? Maybe, yeah, you know what? We're gonna do both. So I'm gonna start with Cavity, which is this extremely pigmented hot pink. Whoo. Literally, I dipped it in once and I was able to put some on my other eye too. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend that out. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a Luxie 239 brush, and I'm gonna go in to Root Canal. Oh, it's just so pretty. Okay, and I'm gonna press that in my crease. Stunning. So I have an option of keeping it bright like this or adding a little bit of darkness. I kind of want to add some darkness. I just don't know if I want to go in with a, you know what, we're going to go into Fresh Meat. actually, because that looks like it's gonna be stunning. Fresh meat on that Luxie brush. And I'm gonna just place that right. That's a little more what I wanted. I'm living for these colors right now. Okay. I really want to use Prick. So I'm gonna take that same Luxie brush, coat it in this color. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna pat this all over my lid. Has just blended out like a dream. Okay, so we have a cherry soda, which is this shade here, but then we also have blood sugar, and I kind of want to use both. So since I prick all over the lid, using that same Luxie brush, I'm gonna dip in the cherry soda, and I'm gonna pop that right on the center of my lid. And then using that same brush, I'm gonna take blood sugar and pop that on my outer lid. Just that beautiful ombre. Oh my gosh. Just so stunning. So it goes from blood sugar to cherry soda to Prick. Living for these colors right now. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now I'm gonna take my pencil brush from BH Cosmetics. And literally, y'all, I've had no fallout whatsoever. None. Okay. So, I kind of want to just go into Prick. Okay. Gosh, it's just such a pretty color. All right, so I'm gonna go into cherry soda. Pop that on there as well. It is seriously amazing how well these colors blend out. Amazing. Okay. Now, lash line. So I'm gonna take an angled brush and I'm gonna go into Coma. And I'm just gonna put that very tightly up close to my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take Glucose, that's stark white, on a pencil brush. I'm gonna pop that on my inner corner. Now that that is on, I'm gonna go into Candy Floss. And pop that right over it. So I'm gonna pop some eyeliner on and some mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, so I was sitting here debating on if I wanted to do a wing and lashes. I agreed to do the wing, and I'm not doing false lashes because I just don't want it to take away from this beautiful red and purple look. So, all right. I feel like you need to do a nude with this. So we have 3 that are really calling my name. We'll get them out. First one, and I did swatch these earlier, is Skin Tight, which is a pinky nude. Then we have Celebrity Skin. Okay. And then we have Mannequin. So I'm torn between Celebrity Skin and Mannequin. So I think I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna put Celebrity Skin on first. These feel so amazing, by the way. All right. And then I think I'm gonna do Mannequin right in the middle. I like that. And then I think just because I can, I like it. I like this. Okay. So, as you can tell, I am madly in love with this palette and these lipsticks. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. Currently, I am obsessed with MAC Fix Plus Pink White. That is it. Okay, so I am so excited to finally own the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. This is probably gonna be my go-to palette until I get Blue Blood and Alien. I want Alien because I need it. I just want to own the entire Jeffree Star collection, the entire one. And then, of course, there's just enough said. I'm gonna need a bigger desk to hold all of my Jeffree Star makeup. Just saying. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. I am so happy to have my first Jeffree Star products, and they're amazing. So hopefully I will have the Blue Blood collection soon, and then I'm definitely getting the Magic Star concealer and setting powder. So, because now I'm addicted. Because these colors, oh, they just blend it out like a dream. And reds and purples are just, I love a good red eyeshadow, and to have something so pigmented but also matte blend out so well and so beautifully. I'm beyond excited. So I'm gonna go play with more of my Jeffree Star, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.